Here we see the hummingbird mounting the SUV in a mating group.
I just jumped in your car and said that. You didn't even notice, cunt. I'm like a fucking ninja.
Looks like all of them changed their mind.
Oh, none of you lolly fags want to join.
Nah, Lelvera shall change their mind.
Whoa, shit, you sent me! Holy shit.
Stop trying to run me over.
Yeah, slow as fuck, boy.
This is just autistic.
The one that you used to be able to do is if you get if you get an Ifrit onto the front of another Ifrit and then flip the one underneath, it used to send the top Ifrit.
Oh shit! Lands it like a beast.
Well, rest in peace, this guy.
Oh, which guy, bitch? Oh, I am the ultimate tractor. Oh, I'm gone. I am gone.
Actually, I'll
You'll be in trouble once. Oh god, I'm stuck in a ladder.
No, I need the service van.
Fuck's sake.
No, service van, please.
Service man, come to me.
In front of me. No, I almost had you.
Fuck this SUV up.
Wait, look. Ow!
Oh,
whoa, what just happened?
This is actually so
Anyone see the SUV?
Oi, leave the SUV alone.
Wait, nobody.
Boys, help me! Help me, please! All I can see is dirt.
Tractors ram it from each side. Let's go, ready?
Send help!
Alright.
Send help!
Wait, just wait. Get out the SUV. Get out the SUV and see if it stays.
Whoa, shit! Alright, go. Ready? Go.
I'm way behind you.
Okay, that did nothing.
Where the fuck is
No,
my
that
SUV?
did nothing. I really expected
Look
something.
at it, it's like a fucking...
That was on an angle!
Oh, it's stuck on an angle! It's stuck on an angle!
Oi, don't do it. Don't you fuck.
Don't do it.
Oh, boys, later on.
Look at it! Look at it! Look at it! I told you you could do it! I told you you could do it!
Oh my gosh. I'm ramming this bitch.
Oh no, fuck, I can't stop it! Fuck, I can't stop it!
Oh shit!
That tractor isn't going! Oh, you
Get it! Well, bro, it's invincible.
I'm coming. Get out of the way, service
Oh,
van.
what the fuck?
Service van, I've got one frame. I'm gonna yeet it.
Oh, fuck you, I'm out of here again! Fuck, you can't stop me!
What the fuck?
Bro, what is going on?
Oh, I thought I was gonna hit that heli there.
I told you it'll moonwalk.
Oi, we need Nitros, boys. Someone come back.
Nitro Sim. Yes. It'll go nothing but straight up.
Oh no, I can't stop it! I can't stop it! Someone deflect!
Oh shit! Lands it! Oi, I'm not dead!
Did you go?
Alright, I'm running. Service van, get to me. Service van, get...
Here we see the hummingbird mounting the SUV in a mating group.
It's up on a mission!
Oh,
I wanted to see where
no, what? How?
Why is it driving?
Watch this. Let me get it rolling and then jump out. Watch the...
Mounting it. Let's go, boys.
Ready. Wait. Ready for it? Watch this. Ready? And eject.
Oh,
fuck!
That's my tra-la-la.
It's still on!
What is this?
Bro, this is
Fucking
some
wizardry.
cursed
Oi,
armor.
dude, are the boys in your gang had it too or not?
What is this?
Bro, we're
dark
dealing with the
matter?
cursed freaking tractor.
yeah, we've got a cursed SUV here.
Yeah,
Oh,
SUV.
fuck.
We're
Where you
dealing
boys
with black magic.
We should try and get
This
it back
is-
to the safe zone.
Oh god.
Okay.
We should
I
get some
can't
mods here
see
with
anything
the
at the
tank.
moment. My camera's fucked.
This is fucked.
Bro,
First-
I'm just getting flipped like...
Oh, you should get in here. First person is fucking interesting.
Someone unflip me.
You're wrecked by this.
Oh, Jesus fuck.
Oh, he's uncursed? Yeah, the boys, we got it.
Oh,
Fuck,
you
give up.
fucking,
Boys,
you fucking exercised it.
Bro, it's still OP, you can't destroy it.
I'm building top speed. I'm gonna fuck some bloody. I'm gonna fuck a tractor with top speed.
Yes, got the heli. What?
Boys, I'm too good for you.
Oh! Landed it.
This is like fucking bumper cars.
Oh,
Wait,
Where's-
let me just fix this for you.
look at it! Oh!
Oh no, my heli! Oh, sad face.
Watch out! Oh god! Right, I'm up.
Wait, look at me! I landed on the railing. Wait. I'm stuck.
Yeah, explosions. I'll comp you
there
for
we go.
that.
Oh,
I'm
Oh,
actually
alright,
depressed.
How
I've
much
got
is
no
it?
more
How much is
oh
it?
my gosh! Oh, I'm glitched.
Break
I'm
dancing.
I'm glitched.
Explosion.
I'm
How much?
spinning in circles.
How much was it? I'll comp you for it.
And here we see the mating ritual of the two tractors. Now we see the service
your
van
heli, fam. Of course it-
initiating a threesome.
Oh my fucking god!
One tractor seems to have spazzed out, while the other still keeps its recipient.
10.
Wait, whose hell is this?
Mine, don't touch it.
Do it.
Don't be gay.
Do it.
Don't be gay. First person to touch this heli's fucking gay.
I accept that
Me.
with pride.
Yeah, gay pride. Okay. No, don't destroy that. Oh, this is gonna end so poorly. Alright, hold on. Let me try and take off. Let me try and take off.
Fuck your heli. Wait, how do you still take off? Come at me, you little pussy.
Arma's
Fuck you,
smart when it
tractors.
comes to its smokes physics. You can
Fuck
actually
man, I
blow
really
the...
want a tractor.
So you're blowing the fire around.
Oi,
mate. Fuck off.
Oi, the Euron's cursed.
No, the Huron's not up. There he goes.
Where'd the Huron go?
Wait, where'd it go?
One in the round. Oh, there you go.
Oh wait, did that mod get it, did he? He got rid of... No, don't get rid of my heli.
Wait, oh, the mod.
He's going for the tractors.
Oh, he got my tractor!
Not the tractors.
Oh,
Wait,
curse you and
I
Interstar.
missed him. I got him.
You're getting fucked,
Dude,
man.
you...
Wait, you're getting fucked, whoever's in the heli.
Why?
Because you fucking smacked the mod.
Oh,
Hey, you're so toxic. Holy fuck.
Oi, jump outside safe zone for a bit. Come outside safe zone.
Who, the heli?
Yeah, explosion.
Where are ya? Oh, I got kicked off. Mass VDM at Cartel. Oh,
It's alright.
The VDM rule still applies in a safe zone.
Dude, I can't find a new
But we lit
Queensland.
it.
Got
Driving me
VDMs.
you're
insane.
But we'll like
What
get
do you
Nah.
mean, who got VDM?
So it was all fun and
VDM
games.
No, but he's not just like VDMing, like we're doing it to each other.
Sorry,
It's
Spade,
like-
dude. We won't keep doing it. But we
Yeah,
honestly,
don't.
we were just
Both
doing
you
it to
two.
each other. We just
Yeah,
went
we're
to
doing it
each
to each
So-
other, and we were all kind of like.
I'm gonna
split around
abuse him
between
when I
each
get
other,
back
so
in.
Well, you gotta be careful.
It's all...
It's
It's all
affected other
giggles and
people.
shits until
Vehicles
someone
bounce out of
shits
the
and
safe zone,
giggles.
they blow up.
Yeah,
Alright, sorry about that. We'll start. We'll go try and be normal.
Tell him he's a faggot.
Appreciate it.
Alright, so